Welcome to the art of making sushi at home, step-by-step guide. Ingredients neatly arranged on a counter. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need sushi rice, nori sheets, fresh fish, and vegetables. Don't forget soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger. A bowl of sushi rice being prepared. Start with the rice. Rinse it until the water runs clear. Cook it according to the package instructions. Once cooked, mix in rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. Let it cool to room temperature. A bamboo mat covered with plastic wrap. Prepare your bamboo mat. Cover it with plastic wrap to prevent sticking. A nori sheet being placed on the bamboo mat. Place a nori sheet on the mat, shiny side down, spreading rice on the nori sheet. Spread a thin layer of rice over the nori. Leave a small border at the top edge. Placing fish and vegetables on the rice, add your fillings. Lay them horizontally across the center of the rice. Use fresh fish, avocado, cucumber, or any favorites. Rolling the sushi with the bamboo mat. Now, the fun part, roll the sushi. Use the bamboo mat to help you. Press gently but firmly. Keep rolling until you reach the border. Cut the roll into bite-sized pieces. Use a sharp knife and wet it between cuts for clean slices. Sushi being plated with garnishes. Plate your sushi beautifully. Garnish with pickled ginger, a dab of wasabi, and a small bowl of soy sauce. Admire your creation. Making sushi at home can be a delightful experience. It's not just about the food, but the art and patience involved. The narrator taking a bite of sushi, smiling. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more culinary adventures.